Go.
Okay, people, what we're doing today is seeing who can spin the fastest fidget spinner. That's his plastic one, and this is my little metal one. Okay, let's start this. Ready, set, go.
I'm gonna lose again, I just know it.
Yeah, he lost the first 2 times.
Yeah, solid. This is A minus 10. My friend's gonna get one that lasts like an hour. My friend got one that lasts an hour.
That's impossible.
No, it isn't. He got one. Hey, no. No, no. No, Chloe. Oh, mine's slowing down.
Oh man. Every time, I think. Let's see who wins. Don't stop until it ends. Till it's like all the way in.
Gotta make it perfect. No, no.
Every single time.
I still might win. What
Yeah.
if yours just stops automatically?
Yeah, that'd be fun. Okay, let's see which one wins. Still a race. Still a race.
You won.
Still a race.
You
Still a
won.
race. Still a race. Still a race. Don't stop him. Don't stop him. Still a race.
What if I spin it again? Holly, then you still won.
Yeah, that'd be so funny.
Come on. Stop.
Oh! Yes. Okay, let's see if mine can still. Let's see how long mine can still be going.
See if I can beat this.
Probably can't, but wow, it had to be perfect.
I'm gonna win. Dude, what if yours was like that and mine was still like this? Mine was still like that. That would have been awesome.
Yeah. Oh man, mine's still going.
Still might win. It might stop automatically. Like that.
Metal fidget spinner on eBay. Durable. Won't break if you drop it.
Okay,
Spins longer.
there you have it.
And mine's still going.
There you have it. The metal one is going to win 3 times.
No, I won.